5 seconds for the dictation. Start. India will be in a position to vaccinate 10 million people every day by July or August, top officials said on Tuesday, backing statements made by the government's representative in the Supreme Court that the country will deliver doses to all eligible individuals by the end of the year, although it wasn't immediately clear where the doses would come from. In May, India delivered an average of 1.93 million doses a day, and several states ran out of supplies by the fourth week of the month for at least some groups of recipients. Experts say the government's target will depend on availability of doses, which for June has been pegged at 120 million. Shortage is what you feel if you want to vaccinate the country within a month. The total number of vaccinations done in the country is nearly equivalent to the total number done in the United States, and our population is 4 times the population of the United States. We have to have some patience. By the mid of the year, mid July or early August, we will have more than enough doses to vaccinate up to a crore 10 million per day, said Dr. Balram Bhargava, the Director General of Indian Council Medical Research. By December, we hope to have the whole country vaccinated, he said, while asserting that there is no shortage. The highest number of doses administered in a single day across the country was a little under 4 million in the second week of April. As on June 1, India has delivered 214.2 million of the 1.9 billion doses it needs to give to 940 million adults who are eligible for vaccines at present. Bhargava's commitment are in line with the government's projections that it will have supplies of 2.16 billion vaccines between August and December alone. But 710 million of these are vaccines that are yet to be approved in the India. Reuters said in a report that Serum Institute of India will likely miss its target of 750 million doses in these 5 months by 27 or 200 million, and Bharat Biotech's scale up to 550 million doses is clouded in ambiguity, with the company saying